Beats by Nevs.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where I review the latest and greatest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we have an amazing and very special device to review, the Huawei P60 Pro. This is Huawei's flagship phone for 2023, and it comes with some impressive features that really make it stand out from the crowd, and let's dive into it. But before that guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please smash that subscribe button to help this channel grow. And don't miss all my latest and greatest tech news and reviews. Let's get it started. The first thing you'll notice about the P60 Pro is its stunning design. The phone has a 6.67-inch quad-curve LTPO OLED screen that covers almost the entire front of the device, which is a small punch hole for a 30-megapixel selfie camera. The screen has a resolution of 1220 by 2700 pixels, which means it is very sharp and vibrant. It also supports a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, which means it can adjust to the content you're watching or playing and save battery life when you don't need it. The screen also gained TÜV certification for color accuracy and precise color projection. The back of the phone is equally gorgeous, with a pearl texture design that reflects light in different colors depending on the angle. The phone comes in four colors: black, green, violet, and rococo pearl. The latter is my favorite, as it has a unique and elegant style that reminds me of a painting, and each piece of this color is unique. It's like you have a personalized design at the back. The phone also has a classical camera array on the top left corner, which houses three cameras: a 48 megapixel ultra lighting main camera, a 48 megapixel ultra lighting telephoto camera, and a 30 megapixel ultra wide camera with all RYYD sensors. But we'll talk more about them later. Moreover, with the design, the phone has a metal frame that feels solid and premium in the hand. It also has an IP68 rating for dust and water resistant, which means it can survive up to 1.5 meters of water for 30 minutes. The phone has USB Type-C port at the bottom, which supports 88 watts wired charging and OTG functions. It also has an infrared port at the top, which can be used to control other devices like TVs or air conditioners. The phone does not have a 3.5 headphone jack, but it does have stereo speakers that sound loud and clear. The Huawei P60 Pro runs on Harmony OS 3.1 in China or EMUI 13.1 globally. Both operating systems are smooth and fast, and also you can download most of the apps that you needed from their own Huawei's app gallery, and even Google apps are also available. The Huawei P60 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 4G chipset, which is a 4nm octa-core processor that can handle any task that you throw at it. These are the heavy games currently now that are perfectly run smoothly and no lags at all. The phone comes with either 8GB or 12GB of RAM and either 256 or 512 of internal storage. You can also expand the storage with Huawei's nano memory cards, which use the same slots as a second SIM card. The phone scored over 1 million points on Antutu benchmark test, which shows how powerful it is. The battery of P60 Pro also is impressive. The phone has a 4815 mAh battery that can last more than a day of moderate use. It also supports 88 watts supercharged turbo wired charging, which means you can charge it up to 50% in just a matter of 10 minutes and 29 minutes to fully charge the device. It supports also 50 watts wireless charging and reverse wireless charging of 7.5 watts, which means you can use it to charge other devices like earphones, smartwatches, or smartphone as long as supports Qi charging. Now, the highlight of this P60 Pro is its camera system. The phone has three cameras on the back that works together to produce amazing photos and videos in any situation. The main camera has 48 megapixel ultra lightning that outperform most of the flagship smartphone right now, with a massive f1.4 to f4.0 adjustable physical aperture and an RYYB sensor that boosts light intake hugely. It can capture sharp and detailed images with natural colors and dynamic range in daylight or low light conditions. It also supports X-Menu styles. Just drop the camera quick menu here, then you can choose from original, vivid, and bright to enhance your photography experience and results. With this camera improvement, in the Huawei P60 Pro, they get the first place in the DxOMark camera rankings with the overall scores of 156 points and the DxOMark Gold Camera Award 2023. The telephoto camera has an f2.1 aperture and sensor shift OIS that allow you to zoom in up to 3.5 optical zoom up to 100 times digital zoom. It also has a night vision mode that can capture stunning night scenes from afar with high clarity and contrast. The ultra-wide-angle camera has an f2.2 aperture and a 13mm focal length that can fit more into the frame. It also supports macro mode that can focus on objects as close as 2.5 cm. The Huawei P60 Pro can also record 4K videos at 30 or 60 frames per second with both the rear and front cameras. It also has a dual view video mode that can record with two cameras at the same time, showing different perspectives of the same scene. And here are my sample shots. You can comment down below what you think of the camera of this Huawei P60 Pro. The P60 Pro is not only a great camera phone, but also a great smartphone overall. It has a beautiful design, a powerful performance, a smooth operating system, a long-lasting battery life, and a fast charging technology. It is definitely one of the best phones you can buy in 2023. So for you guys, what do you think of this latest Huawei P60 Pro? Leave your comments down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Peace out.